Hi guys, right, it's 24 hours later. It's Friday night. I've just come home from work, changed my top and cracked a beer because it's been a heavy week. I couldn't find a box, so I quickly rigged up just a screen just to cover the resin so it doesn't get any dust on. Just jerry rigged some bits just to stop any dust going on it, and it should be dry. I've not even looked at it yet, so let me quickly show you. This is the piece I was trying to recreate. So this is Emma Jones's piece, which is fantastic. She kind of gave me, and I tried to recreate my own, and oh, it's dry, it's done, it's worked. And this is what I've done. So I'm really impressed. It's great. I mean, you can see off my light there, you can see the sheen of the light on there. That is very shiny, completely solid. It's not tacky at all. Yeah, I'm really impressed. This is really easy to do. So this is Emma's original one, which looks stunning, and this is mine, which looks completely different. But never going to recreate something like that. But I'm really impressed with that. That was so easy to do. I've actually looked at the resin, and I've got probably a quarter of a tub in each. Once it's so just under a quarter in each. So I've got enough to do a bit more, another little project or something. So I'm really impressed with this. I'm excited. It's great. There's quite a bit of mess on the table. Because when I took the masking tape off, possibly took it off a little bit too soon, because when I heated it up, it kind of dripped over the sides a bit. So there's a fair bit on the table, but the plastic sheeting was there. But I didn't want to burn the masking tape, so that's what I did. But also, with what I had left, while I was at the Maker Central, I turned a bowl, my first bowl, and it blew through. So it was cracked. So I just used the last of the bits there and just made that. And I'm thinking, one of my friends, Gareth Tonks, suggested putting a clock face through. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just drill through the hole again and possibly put a clock face on that. I'll just sand the edges down, give that a bit of a finish with something so it looks half decent. And I've got myself a funky clock as well. Yeah, I'm really impressed. Guys, if you want to try it, if you've never used resin before, try this product. I think it's great. It's so easy to use. I mean, I've not used any other products, so I don't know how good or bad they are in comparison, but fantastic, and crack on, basically, as Bongo would say. So yeah, really easy. Awesome. I'm really impressed.